Yes, students, we are back with second video of properties of circle. I uploaded, can I say, first video just before 3-4 days. Today is the day for second video. Now, we'll understand the remaining properties of circle. Now, suppose this is a circle. As explained in last lecture, these are two chords. A new property would be, suppose if O is a center, then these two are radii, even these two are radii. If two chords are equal, two congruent chords subtends two congruent arcs. This we have learnt in last lecture. It is not new thing. But this time what are we supposed to study? Two congruent chords subtends equal angles at the center. मतलब this, therefore, if chord CD is equal to chord AB, then angle AOB is equal to angle COB. So what is the property? Two congruent chords subtend equal angles at the center. And what would be vice versa of the same? It would also be the same. Vice versa क्या होगा? If angle subtended by two chords at the center, if angle subtended by two chords at the center are equal, then those two chords are also congruent. Now we move on to next and important property, but a very simple one. Suppose this is a chord, this is center, this is perpendicular. Properties of perpendicular line drawn from center of a circle to the chord. Perpendicular line drawn from center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Means if OC is perpendicular to chord AB, then AC would be equal to CB. Then AC would be equal to C. I repeat the property of perpendicular line drawn from center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. What would be vice versa of this one? Vice versa ऐसे होगा. Suppose ये chord है, ये center है, ये line है, and if these two are equal, then this angle will be perpendicular. A line joining center of a circle to midpoint of a chord is always perpendicular to the chord. So simple language में, if a line is perpendicular from the center to the chord, it will divide the chord into two equal parts. That is, it bisects. If a line bisects the chord, then can I say it is perpendicular. This you are supposed to understand. So three properties. Now we will go on to another important properties of, can I say, again intersecting chords आएगा. We now can I say it would be intersecting chord. Now what is that? Now suppose if this is a circle, I take two chords PQ and RS. These are intersecting at point O. Now we need to understand two important things over here. ये दोनों chords which are intersecting, they are intersecting internally. ये angle जो होगा, या even this angle for that sake, both are vertically opposite angle तो equal. Angle ROQ, sorry, or you can say angle POS. ये दोनों angle है ना, they would be equal to each other and they would be half of sum of two intercepted arcs. Which are two intercepted arcs? Arcs intercept by these two angles. ROQ कौन सा intercept करता है? RQ. Then POS कौन सा intercept करता है? Can I say angle POS? PS. So properties when two chords intersect each other internally, the angle formed is half of total of sum of two intercepted arcs. Now if you have understood, I will take example of these two angles. Angle का नाम is POR. This angle is SOQ. So it is half of measure of arc. Can I say this angle intercepts which arc? PR. I will take it as PR. Or this angle intercepts which arc? QS. I will take it as QS. So simple property but an important one. When two chords intersect internally, angle formed is half of sum of two intersected. This is when chords intersect internally. When two chords intersect internally. Now, comparing this with when two chords intersect externally, what are the properties? Now these are two chords AB and ED intersecting externally at point C. When two chords intersect externally, then measure of angle A externally. We can call it as ACE, I can call it as BCE, BCD, जो भी बोलना. It is half of difference of two intersected arcs. Which arcs are intersected by this? This one, this one. So it is arc AE. Now see carefully. Understand the difference. Can I say here you have plus, here you have minus. These are chords intersecting internally. These are chords intersecting externally. You can prove this also by using. I will prove this. Suppose if I draw this two line. Now, if I am talking about this angle, ROQ, ये angle का. Can I say it is an exterior angle of triangle OSQ? So exterior angle is equal to total of two remote interior angles. ये angle inscribed है. So this is nothing but half of measure of arc RQ. Even this is nothing but half of measure of arc PS. From this, can I say you get this one, half of arc RQ plus arc PS. Now this is, can I say, how you are supposed to derive the property. बाकी property simple है. ये externally वाला भी you can prove it. Suppose if I draw this two, can I say this is an exterior angle of triangle BEC. Again, exterior angle is equal to sum of two remote interior angles. So it is angle E plus angle C. So this is, can I say, half of arc BD हो जाएगा. This is half of arc AE. If you simplify, you get the same thing. These are the two properties which you need to understand, which are very regularly applied in this topic. Now, same two chords intersect. एक simple property है, वो देख लेते हैं. That will conclude the topic. OP into OQ is equal to OI into OS. This is when two chords intersect at point O. जो भी point of intersection है, can I say सब जगह है. OP into OQ, OR into OI. This also you can easily prove by proving these two triangles similar, CSST cross multiply. Same way here, CB into CA is equal to CD into CE. Again देखो point of intersection C है, it is present for all the four sides. This also you can prove by proving two triangles similar. So just what we did in last lecture, we had something called as inscribed angle, tangent secant angle, central angle, cyclic quadrilateral का property सीखा था. This continued lecture में two congruent chords subtends two congruent arcs and they subtend equal angle at the center. अगर arcs equal है तो chord equal है और central angles भी equal है. Then we move on to when two chords intersect internally and externally. Internally में half of sum of two intersected arcs, externally में half of difference of two intersected arcs. बराबर है. और बीच में कॉन्सेप्ट छोटा ले लिया था, perpendicular line drawn from center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. What is vice versa of that? A line joining center and midpoint of a chord is always perpendicular to the chord. So I tried to cover all the properties of circle in these two video sessions. I would require students you to just refer it before the examination. Thank you all. Hope you enjoyed this.